Do not wait until the conditions are perfect to begin. Beginning makes the conditions perfect. Myself, G.P. Joseph of Manigat Cement English School. Respected Principal Madam, parents, teachers and students, welcome to Manigat Cement English School Investor Ceremony 2021. This is a very special occasion. We are delighted to join the ceremony though virtually. We have missed every occasion of our school during the last session of 2020-21 due to the pandemic. But still we hope for a better tomorrow ahead. Our school students and teachers are divided into 4 houses, namely Achievers House red color, Challengers House green color, Pioneers House blue color and Winners House yellow color. The housemasters are Mrs. Deepthi Sharma, Achievers House, Mr. Madhugar Darpure, Challengers House, Mr. Sanjay Patkar, Pioneer House, and Ravindra Vaidya, Winners House. So today, on a day of new beginning, I wish each one of you more courage, more strength, more happiness, more success, and best of health every day. I wish you the ability to strive, to persist, overcome and to never give up. My very best wishes to our new head girl, Miss Rani Dorlikar and head boy, Master Pranil Gavande and the entire council. I would like to thank our principal, Mrs. Archana Golcha, for taking this initiative. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Pranil Gavande as head boy of Manigat Cement English School. I may fall short of words to express my emotion and gratitude towards the opportunity I received as being a head boy. As being a head boy, I will try my best to gain all the responsibilities and leadership qualities. I may or may not be that much responsible at present, but I will try my level best in gaining all your ideas and lead my fellow mates perfect in their duties. I extend my sincere thanks to my principal and teachers who included such capability in me that I felt confident to be able to discharge my duties and responsibilities as the head boy of prestigious school. Also, I thank all the students who trusted me and have put their faith in me. Thank you.
A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Rani Dorlikar from class 12. With great pride, I express my gratitude to principal ma'am, teachers and schoolmates for selecting me as the head girl of Manigat Cement English School. As a head girl, it requires a lot of tolerance and hard work. But with the help and cooperation of teachers and team members, I assure that I will be able to meet the expectations. I feel that discipline minister, sports ministers and cultural ministers and all 4 houses naming Achievers House, Challengers House, Pioneers House and Winners House will work together in a sportsmanship spirit to achieve the targeted goal. Also, along with my team, I will work hard to fulfill all the responsibilities. Thank you.
So now we are going to announce the name of the ministers.
Discipline Minister Aditya Rai from class 11th. Junior Discipline Minister Siddesh Humne from 4th B.
Sports Minister Sahil Wankhede from class 11. Junior Sports Minister Akshay Kumar Akkam from 4th B.
Cultural Minister Ambika Sharma from class 11th. Junior Cultural Minister Rashi Shinde from 4th B. Congratulations everyone.
After the names of the minister, here are the names of the captains from different houses.
First, Achievers House. Achievers House Captain Kshitij Thauri from class 10th A. Vice Captain Asmita Gowde from 9th B. Junior Captain Swara Chunne from 4th B. Junior Vice Captain Sanvi Dhoke from 3rd A. Congratulations everyone.
Now, Challengers House. Challengers House Captain Pragati Singh from 10th A. Vice Captain Ujjwal Mane from 9th B. Junior Captain Samyak Taksande from 4th A. Junior Vice Captain Vidhi Bhavankar from 3rd A.
Congratulations everyone. Now, Pioneers House. Pioneers House Captain Sahil Kamble from 10th B. Vice Captain Jasmeet Kaur from 9th A. Junior Captain Sharvari Yerpude from 4th A. Junior Vice Captain Arohi Malviya from 3rd B. Congratulations everyone.
Now, Winner House. Winner House Captain Sai Amborkar from 10th A. Vice Captain Sahil Neer from 9th A. Junior Captain Vaishnavi Jadhav from 4th A. Junior Vice Captain Naksh Malekar from 3rd B.
Congratulations everyone.
Now, junior head girl Mrunmay Wagle from 4th A.
Junior head boy Naman Rathi from 4th B.
Now, the head girl of our school, Rani Dorlikar from class 12th.
The head boy of our school, Pranil Gawande from class 12th.
Congratulations everyone. I, Pranil Gawande, student of class 12, selected as head boy.
I, Rani Dorlikar, standard 12th, selected as head girl.
I, Naman Dheeraj Reddy, standard 4th B, selected as junior head boy.
I, Mrunmay Wagle, standard 4th A, selected as junior head girl.
I, Aditya Umesh Rai, standard 11th, selected as the discipline minister.
I, Siddesh Prashant Humne, standard 4th B, selected as junior discipline minister.
Bhaiya Wankade of class 11, selected as a sports minister.
I, Akshay Kumar, studied 4th B, selected as junior sports minister.
I, Ambika Sharma, of Standard 11th, selected as Cultural Minister.
I, Rashi Shinde, standard 4th B, selected as junior cultural minister.
I, Siddhi Swasthavi, standard 10th, selected as house captain of Achievers House.
Asmita Mahadev Gowde, standard 9B, selected as the vice captain of Achievers House.
I, Swaraj Chumne, standard 4th B, selected as junior achiever house captain. I, Sanve Vikas Roge, studying in class 3rd A, selected as junior achievers house vice captain.
I, Pragati Singh, studying in class 10, selected as a captain of Challenger House.
I, Ujjwal Vilas Mane, standard 9, selected as vice captain of Challenger House.
I, Soumya Taksande, standard 4th A, selected as junior challenger house captain. I, Vidhi Bavankar, standard 3rd A, selected as junior challenger house vice captain.
I, Sahil Bhalchandra Kamble, standard 10th B, selected as captain of Pioneer House.
I, Jasmeet Kaur, standard 9th, selected as vice captain of Pioneers House.
I, Sharvari Adbude, standard 4th A, selected as junior pioneer house captain. I, Arohi Sachin Kumar Malvi, standard 3rd B, selected as junior pioneer house vice captain.
I, Sayam Bholkar, standard 10th A, selected as house captain of Winners House.
I, Sahil Kishore Mir, standard 9th, selected as vice captain of Winners.
I, Vaishnavi Vasudhara Jadhav, standard 4th A, selected as junior winner house captain. I am Navni Malekar, standard 3rd B, selected as junior winners house vice captain.
We, student cabinet of Manigarh Cement English School, solemnly promise in the name of God and on my honor to do my best to exercise my duty to my country, to my school, to my fellow students. So help me God.
Leadership is about keeping the goal of society before the goal of an individual.
Good morning everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and dear children. Today I, Deepti Sharma of Housemaster of Achievers House is standing before you to congratulate our newly elected head boy, head girl and all the ministers of our school. Here I would like to also congratulate the other batch holders of our investiture ceremony. As you all know, due to the ongoing pandemic, we are conducting this ceremony online. Here I would like to congratulate my house captain, Master Kshitij Thauri, 10th A, Vice Captain, Miss Asmita Gawe, 9th B, Junior Captain, Miss Swara Chunne, 4th B, and Junior Vice Captain, Miss Sanvi Doke, 3rd A, of our elite house, the Achiever. I can assure you that my new team of students and teachers will invest authority, power, right, dignity and dedication to fulfill the social and cultural development. In the end of my speech, I would like to end it by saying leaders are not born, but they are made. Thank you.
A very good morning to all. Respected Principal Ma'am, my beloved teacher and my dear student. It gives me a great pleasure to inform you all that I am a house in charge of Challenger House. And the name of captain of my house are first Miss Pragati Singh from 10th B and second Master Samyak Taksande from 4th A. Also the name of vice captains of my house are first Master Ujjwal Mane from 9th B and second is Nidhi Bavankar from 3rd A. So dear children, it is always said that educating a brain without educating a heart is meaningless. So children, this is the great opportunity for you all to enhance your intellectual, emotional and social skill. It also provided you a right platform to improve your multifaceted and multidimensional skill. Those are needed in the future course of time. Lastly, I congratulate to all newly elected cabinet members and wish them a best of luck to discharge their duties and responsibilities with great fervor. Thank you.
सम्माननीय प्राचार्यों, मेरे सहयोगी शिक्षक, शिक्षिकाएं तथा मेरे प्रिय छात्र छात्राएं, आज के इस छात्र संसद पदग्रहण समारोह में आप सभी का स्वागत है। हर साल बड़े उत्साह के साथ तामझाम से संपन्न होने वाले इस समारोह पर इस बार पेंडेमिक का असर स्पष्ट दिखाई दे रहा है। दोस्तों, यही कारण है कि हमें यह प्रोग्राम इस बार बहुत मर्यादित रूप में तथा वर्चुअली आयोजित करना पड़ रहा है। मैं पायोनियर हाउस इंचार्ज टीचर के नाते आज के पदग्रहण समारोह में शिरकत करने वाले हेड बॉय, हेड गर्ल, डिसिप्लिन मिनिस्टर, स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर तथा कल्चरल मिनिस्टर का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। आज इस अवसर पर पायोनियर हाउस के सीनियर ग्रुप कैप्टन मास्टर शाहिल कामड़े, वाइस कैप्टन जसमीत कौर, ग्रुप वाइस कैप्टन शर्वरी एरपुड़े, वाइस कैप्टन आरोही मालवीय, इन सबका मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं। आज पायोनियर हाउस के ब्लू बर्ड के साथ संवाद करते हुए मुझे बहुत हर्ष हो रहा है। दोस्तों, अपना हाउस अर्थात पायोनियर हाउस पिछले 3 साल से लगातार विजेता रहा है। हर बार कैप्टन, वाइस कैप्टन की मेहनत तथा छात्र छात्राओं के बढ़ चढ़कर पार्टिसिपेशन के कारण और जीत की एक अपरिमित आसक्ति के कारण यह संभव हुआ है। मैं आपको याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि इस बार भी हमें यह शील्ड अपने पास रखनी है तो बहुत मेहनत करनी होगी। इसी के साथ हम सबको आगे बढ़ते हुए हर एक्टिविटी में, हर स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट में, हर कल्चरल प्रोग्राम में बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लेना होगा। अपने कैप्टन, वाइस कैप्टन को सहयोग देकर आगे की राह आसान करनी होगी। हमें मेरा हाउस मेरी जीत, इस टैगलाइन को सार्थक करना होगा। पायोनियर हाउस के सभी ब्लू बर्ड्स मेरे साथ 2021 की पायोनियर हाउस की टैगलाइन दोहराए। मैं कहूंगा माय हाउस, आप कहोगे माय विक्ट्री। माय हाउस माय विक्ट्री, माय हाउस माय विक्ट्री, माय हाउस माय विक्ट्री। जय हिंद।
Hello everyone, respected principal Mrs. Archana Bulcha, teachers and my dear students. I am here to welcome you all on this grand occasion, that's investiture ceremony. Every year we celebrate this ceremony with joy and great enthusiasm. But this year, due to COVID-19 pandemic, we have arranged it to celebrate by virtual way. Entire water of the sea cannot sink a ship unless it gets inside the ship. Similarly, the negativity of the world cannot put you down unless you allow it to get inside you. I, the housemaster of Winners House, congratulate all the cabinet members, head girl, head boy, discipline minister, sport minister and cultural minister. I also heartily congratulate Winners House senior group captain Ms. Sai Ambolkar, vice captain Master Sahib Neil, junior captain Ms. Vaishnavi Jadhav and vice captain Master Naqsh Malekar. I welcome all the students of Winners House. Rise up, start fresh. See the bright opportunity in each new day. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in each day. All the birds find shelter during rain, but winner avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Now let me tell you what winner stand for. Winner stand for W for wise, I for intelligent, N for nice, N for naturalistic, E for empathic and R for rational. Once again, I congratulate all the selected cabinet members. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning, and I hope everybody is safe and well protected in their homes. My message is especially for the student council members and the house masters. I'm so happy that in this pandemic and in the online situation we are going ahead with activities that are taking place online, and my dear students are participating very well. So I thought we could go ahead with the investiture ceremony, wherein the parents would be the office bearers and help the students with the sash and the badge. So this is a time where we are all locked in our homes, but I hope the selected student councils in the senior category and in the junior category will be able to do their roles well in whatever situations that we are in presently. The 4 selected house masters, I congratulate them, and I hope and pray that they will be able to give in their best, and at the end of the academic year we will be able to know which house has done the best with regards to whatever activities we are going ahead with. So from my side, I would like to congratulate the participation of my head house masters and the student council members. I know most of the activities are enjoyed, whether it is sports activities or whether it is any cultural activities. They are usually done in a team or in a group or in pairs, which is presently not possible. So let's hope that individually children will be able to do their participation. I really wish them luck. I wish them the best in their life, and I hope they will be safe and continue to contribute for the school activities. Thank you so much.
MCS, the abode of wisdom. MCS, the heaven of knowledge. MCS, the center of good news. Manigarh Cement English School. MCS, MCS.